Hello, bonjour, guten tag, hujambo, hola.
2 conventions in one, an elite level team up, giving us millions of new opportunities for excitement. Do you want to go find out? Hello Explorer, MCM the Comic Con, EGX the video game event. Is this going to give us a whole new world of opportunities for adventure and excitement? What does this vast new combined convention contain? All the usual cosplay, comics, video games, board games, or something a bit different, something we haven't seen before. Looking around, there's a whole lot I want to get into, so let's get to it. So many sites I want to check out, I don't really know where to start. The basic format is largely the same. The South Hall is Artist Alley, lots of exhibitors, whereas the North Hall is lots of dealers, and EGX, which is all new. Well, to me at least. That's a bit worrying. What was that? Cold shiver? Now, let's see where the current takes me. We'll check out all of the highlights, and obviously we're going to be doing the treasure hunt as we go. What else is out there? Let's go find out. Toy Hunters, MCM is a place to be. There's loads of choice. Well, assuming you want modern toys, because vintage and retro, you're out of luck. Much better to go to Birmingham Toy Fair. But modern, loads of stuff. Let's go take a look. Studio 86 Bumblebee in the bag, and a Steeljaw, who seems to be the most hated Autobot on the internet. There's not actually that much to him, so maybe that's the issue. Either way, I like him and he's in the bag, but what else is there out there? Let's go and find out. One for gambling and those blind boxes. You never know what you're going to get, but these Turtles Arcade Mighty Jaxx figures, they're really doing it for me. And there's little details, like you can actually move the joystick, press the buttons, but it's actually just the figures themselves. I've really got to have a think about these, because they're pretty cool, but 15 quid and you don't really know what you're going to get. I don't get some rubbish like Bebop or Rocksteady. I want Leonardo, the cool leader. So I've just arrived in EGX Land, where annoyingly the lights seem a little dark, but it seems like there might be a couple of things we can do here, a couple of activities maybe, some cutting edge technology like a Commodore 64 or a Sinclair ZX81, do a bit of gaming. Let's go check it out, see what's here. Thumbs up. On the whole, very good. Would love to see like a big Nintendo, Sony or Microsoft stand. Retro games are good fun, but they are hard to look at. I can't believe I used to spend hours and hours playing those. Hopefully I won't need glasses soon. Check. How are you doing? It is busy. It was really busy Friday, Saturday, right now. Fortunately, the convention is huge. There's lots to see and do. There's all 8 stages. There's loads of games to play, lots of things to see. I don't really know where to go next. I constantly feel like I'm missing out on something. Plus the treasure hunt I'm really struggling with. I'm really stuck. I can't find some of them, and there's still quite a few more to go, and I'm running out of time. Do you feel that extreme creepiness going on? I don't know what's up with this convention, but I'm feeling a bit of terror in the air. Imperial stand. They're always innovating. Every time I come here there's something new, and this year, really new, droid racing. Everyone can have a go, super interactive, really good fun. And just check out the attention to detail, all the little footprints in the sand, all the sand people, damaged pod racer, loads of little details. Absolutely love it. Check it out. Uneasy at the moment. I'm stood just in front of the Bandai Stand, which was always one of the biggest, but now it looks like it's swollen to be probably the biggest here. It looks like its own mini convention. Let's go find out what's actually there. That sense of terror is definitely intensifying. There's something around here that I don't like. Oh my god. god, what is that? That looks terrifying. The Bandai Stand, home to basically a mini casino. There's loads of cool stuff there, video games, statues and figurines, but also loads of blind boxes, those eggs, mystery eggs, what's going to be in them, but also home to a giant monstrous horror baby. Scary stuff. I think that's why I was so scared all day. This really has driven me nuts. There's 2 MCM signs and only one of them has the QR code. I finally found the correct one with the QR code, so treasure hunt complete. Onwards to my prize. What have I won? Got myself a turtle, hopefully a good one. Who will it be? This treasure hunt's been really hard, although now it's complete, it's taken me all over the convention floor, and that's a huge area to traverse. There's loads of exhibitors, which is really pleasing to see. It's great to see the electric state panel, loads of big reveals, and EGX and MCM totally works for me. MCM's always struggled with a lack of video games, so it's great to see that area expanded, so very happy about that. Now, I've got 2 big tasks to complete, but let's do some reveals first. What did I win? So a little disappointing, another tote bag for the pile, but on the reverse, Leonardo, the one I wanted, he's the best turtle, the leader, just like me, leader of Geek Explorers. So now we've done that, let's go do our 2 big things. Have 40 this year, can you believe it? And to celebrate I was going to get myself a birthday party, Optimus Prime 86 edition, but unfortunately I left it to the last minute because I didn't want to carry him around all weekend and everywhere's totally sold out, so all I'm tasting right now is bitter disappointment. So 50% of the things I wanted to do I can't do. There's one more though that maybe I can. Around this stand all weekend, some might say bothering people, but I've just loved it. It's a really fantastic stand. They've got loads of Transformer reveals, and best of all they've got Evan, who's one of the lead Transformers designers, and Russ from Toys R Us, who you might remember I met back in May. So I've mostly just been hanging around, chatting Transformers, and having a really good time. I love the Hasbro stand. Into the vlog, I missed out on my 86 Optimus Prime, I shared a sad tear, and then, totally randomly, I ended up being the cameraman for Toys R Us's exclusive interview with Evan, which I didn't think would be on the cards today, so did that, and then to make up for the disappointment, Evan signed my Bumblebee. Bit of a splodge because the pen went everywhere, but I know what that big golden splodge means, and that's what this weekend's been. Loads of possibilities. Sometimes I felt like I was missing out, but you can't do everything, but you can enjoy those special moments, those magic moments. Sometimes you get a tote bag and it's a bit ho-hum, or you miss an Optimus Prime, and sometimes you have really awesome experiences, or you meet amazing people, like all the really cool people who came over to me and said hello this weekend. So I really appreciate that, really brightened my day. I'm just going to go out there and enjoy the world. If you've enjoyed this, click left to see my last London Comic Con, or click right in a couple of weeks when I'll be at Liverpool Comic Con. But otherwise, I'll see you soon, Explorer.